Oh, I like this Christmas decoration. I wanted to show it to you a little bit earlier on, but let's do it now. I have a question for you. Ta-da! What does this shape look like to you? Because I have an answer to this question, but I will let you answer it for yourselves. We've made a nice reservation in a hostel by the Danube River. We haven't really seen beautiful old Danube on this trip yet, so let's go and see it. And wow, what an area! Check it out. Pretty creepy, huh? I'm honestly pretty excited. We're going to be sleeping in a house, obviously built in 1910. It's pretty old, and the whole theme of the place is based around this. And I think that this Zemun, this is the name of the city. The whole city is by the Danube River. It's probably a pretty old place with interesting history. But I have to admit, we didn't make pretty much any progress, maybe 10 kilometers progress towards Slovakia. And I'm realizing that neither drinking Slivovitz or drinking energy drinks actually helps people to stop for us and help us along the way. What helps is when you wake up early and use the daylight. Wow, look at this building. I love it. 13G. Look at this green beauty. I'm not sure about this area between the highway and the hostel. I hope it's not like a gypsy neighborhood or something, because it's obviously, you know, close to the highway, out of the big city. Look at this car. It's also near the train station of Zemun. So I guess we cross from there. Alright, this is a pretty weird area, to be honest. That's one more reason to use all the daylight that you can normally, and you know, not cross into Zemun at night. Whoa, look at the quality of the road. Welcome to Zemun. If you still think this is not creepy, check this architecture, for example. Honestly, a very beautiful old house, but the street is called like street railway. I think I understand why. What have we gotten ourselves into again? It seems that we're just reaching the central part of Zemun, and I love it. Check this out. There are so many old buildings from the Soviet era or before that, but along with them there are a few super tall blocks. Like look at this, and there is one over there. I'm going to ask about the history. I hope somebody knows it. It looks so interesting to have those tall blocks among the old buildings. I wonder more and more what is the story of this place. Stores for kids, shoes, clothing, mirrors, glasses for your house, doors, everything. Such long streets and this strange feeling of the mixture between the old and the new. Wow. I would have never came here normally. This trip is getting us to some amazing places. Check out this street. Obviously buildings from around 9000, 9005, 9010. Just before them there was a Soviet building with the classical green colors everywhere, you know, like in the entrances, the interior, and now this, and now some laser effects just randomly being shot on the walls. Look at this. Look at those old buildings. I feel like I'm in a game, you know, like Thief or something, you know, the computer game. Look at those streets. And our hostel is right here.
Destination is on the right.
Ta-da.
Oh,
Hello?
hello, you have reservation.
Yes.
Great. Come in.
Hello.
This is boring dog.
Okay. So, because I was in other hostels and nobody asked when I entered the country.
They must ask.
I think it's 23rd.
Ciao.
Hello.
Hello. Sipaj velo rakiju. You're welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
So this is Serbian homemade rakija. From šljiva. From plant.
Oh,
Plant.
yeah.
Plant.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank
A
you.
meni ništa.
You must working. Sorry.
It's very strong.
Not very strong. It's just okay. Yeah, you know.
Živjeli.
Is it like
Really?
50?
What?
Živeli?
Živjeli, bravo.
So you report everyone to the police? This is interesting information. They ask, like they track people.
Really? They are asking when you enter country and on which border crossing. Why? I don't know.
This is like in the Soviet,
In
Soviet
Soviet
like
Union.
Tito.
Here is the room. So you can choose bed. Just this one is occupied, how to say.
Wow. This is the room. The price is €10 for obviously one bed in a mixed room. They say there is only one guest. And guess who is the guest? The old man that we saw downstairs. I was like, this is probably like the grandfather or the father of the owners, but he's a guest in the hostel. Oh, wow, I hope he doesn't snore too much.
Zato че ти понимаешь, не, speak Грузия, kaže
Български.
leba treba,
Da.
a rakije mora. You understand?
Da.
You must have bread, but
Rakija.
Dosta ti je. Hvala. So when you will enter, just put this here and
Da, okej.
door will open.
Da, da.
kad sam bio malo dečače, ja sam završio niža muzička škola.
Stvarno si završio klavir, ne seriju,
za klavir.
brate. Daj, ne seriju, brate.
Sa 12 godina.
Ja sam završio klavir.
Ja. I kad sam bio mladan, 13 godina, nisam mogao da nosim klavirče u parkiče,
Aha.
da mu on devojčice.
Ne može nosiš.
Ne možda nosiš, veliki pijan.
Да, така е, дай за това китара. А сега ще свириш ли? Сега.
Сега се не разбирам се.
А? Ще свириш ли тази вечер?
Nisam sad razumeo.
Бас.
Bas?
Играеш бас.
Ja sviram bas.
Свирим. А, свирим now?
Ne, on ne svira.
Ne,
On dolazi da peva i da pije. Sviram
So,
bas.
if you want to eat, you can go there to eat.
Okay, there, Walter.
Yes.
Okay, and if I want to drink with you?
Ideš kod nas u kafanu.
Nema jela.
A nema jela.
Ajde u kafan. I like your decoration.
U kafanču ima samo rakić.
Rakić,
Nema
Liquid
heroinča,
food.
samo rakić.
Liquid food, yes.
liquid food.
Some way to... They told me we don't want kids.
Well, very nice place.
Thank you. Bulgarian. Bratu će stigu u hostel. Ali ima...
Zorana, Svetin.
This is the same cafe from hostel. When you...
How to say?
The same boss.
Okay.
Yes, it is.
Okay. So what is good?
What is good?
Homemade wine.
Ne.
You have?
No. Rakija.
Only rakija.
What you drink? I drink the same.
Okay. Rakija, huh?
Rakija. Nazdravlje.
Ajde, nazdravlje. Nazdravlje. You can also say živjeli or you can say nazdravlje.
Okay. In Serbian.
In Serbian, yes.
Ješ oni?
You see, beer is here.
Nice. Whoa, yeah, that's nice. Yep, it's interesting. All different types of beers.
Da, different, yes.
Dark,
Some is dark.
IPA. How do you know what is what? It's cooled and it flows down to the bar.
Yes.
This is like Road 66 bar or something.
Ah, something like that.
I like the guitar.
Yes, guitar.
Very cozy.
Other guitar.
You should have a piano here. See, Road 66 is right there. Let's say where the beer goes.
Yes.
Oh! There.
I'm always telling new people that I'm from Zemun, not from Belgrade.
I like it.
Because we are different.
Yeah, it's very different. Very real. It feels like maybe Belgrade in the past, in a good way.
I understand.
Like real. Actually, I went on this journey to learn more about love. So here's this guy. Your name again was?
My love from Croatia.
And this is his love from Croatia.
My love from Croatia.
And they are together
Yeah, together.
right now like this because she cannot be here with him, and they love each other so much that he has been like this with his phone for like the whole evening. And they communicate and they love each other.
Yeah.
And you should be together.
It's true, yeah. They're together.
Real soon.
Real.
Yes.
Rock it out.
It comes. They're together.
Croatia, you know?
Yeah. Wow. That's a big concert. Look at that.
Yeah, look at that.
And that's awesome.
Feel that? That's sweet.
Yeah, you need to meet more often. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Cheers to love.
Cheers to love.
Živeli.
Vidi.
Beach. Yes.
But on the river island. There's a beach.
Which river? The Danube?
One of that.
Oh.
There's a beach.
I should go and see it sometime.
Ah, better
In summer.
Not now. No, there is nothing.
Živeli. Let's film how we're getting drunk in
Zemun.
Zemun.
In Zemun.
Hey, I have one birthday party.
So basically we were told that Zemun has been a different city back in the years, and there has been a border between Hungary and the Turkish Empire pretty much right here. And now we have to hitchhike 300 kilometers or something to get to Hungary. I see, he's drinking.
Drinking. Out of Russia.
Rakia, Slivovica.
Slivovica.
Evo se polinašemo, Slivovica.
Slivovica.
Srbija, Slivovica.
Živeli Srbija.
Živeli.
Srbija.
Da.
Ovako dođu, ovako.
What is your idea?
Ne razgledno, ovako.
My friend. Ej, Bulgarija, Letrce, gada se to, Hiranice. Hiranice, Motače.
22,000.
22,000 years.
Wow. You can be rich in Serbia if you want to come to Serbia.
It's not even 200 euros.
Yeah, but 22,000. It sounds like a lot, doesn't it?
Sounds like a lot.
So you feel rich in Serbia, even if you don't have that much money. So if you want to be rich, come here.
Ajde, Dražo!
Okay. Oh no.
It can be a free alcoholic tour of them.
Exactly. This is great. Like Serbian style.
Serbian style, of course.